Step 1. Ensure the pole has been cleaned and the internal hose has been removed. Step 2. Slide the Protecta-shock sleeve over the base of your window cleaning pole. Select where you'd like the Protecta-shock sleeve to be positioned. Step 3. Apply heat in an even fashion. Do not exceed 120 degrees Celsius when applying heat. Take care not to damage the surface of your pole or any fittings. The Protecta-shock sleeve will begin to shrink, fitting tightly around your pole. Step 4. Check the installation, reattach internal hose if removed, and begin working safely. We always recommend wearing suitable footwear and protective gloves when working in the vicinity of power lines.